I'm gonna ask the white trash people
Put some
who
posh.
sings this song. Tua!
You what? You what?
You are?
You what? You
You
what?
are? What? You are? You are? Do you know who sings that? You are? You are? You are? No. How come? You are? You are?
You're white trash.
I'm looking for that. I'm looking for that song. Clubbing? You don't club? Because I'm clubbing, and yesterday I've been in a club, and I've heard this song, and I can't find it. You should download it.
Sherry, to where?
To where?
To where?
To where?
To where?
To where? Bye.
Ellen, her dress.
What did I do? To where? She wants to fire me, and then I'm gonna be jobless. It's not fair. I'm happy. Really. What's your name, love? Gary and Sherry. Sounds similar.
Oh my god, it's like you're meant to be together.
Gary and Sherry.
Now you need to be together.
No. He's married. He doesn't want me. You married? Girlfriend? You see?
We have a
I
girlfriend.
told you. He doesn't want me.
I don't want your either.
You don't want your girlfriend as well? So you want me?
Oh, of course.
We'll think about it.
Go on then.
Go on then.
Go on
then.
then.
Go on then.
Go on
Go
then.
down.
Go on
Go
then.
down.
Go on then.
You reckon?
Reckon?